Hello, everyone. This is American Cupcake. Welcome to Savage Navigation. Thinking about changing it. We are in Missouri. We are in Uranus, Missouri. And hopefully we can see the sign. If not, I'll get out and take it. But we are going to the Uranus Fudge factory. And it's open. Thank God. Look at that. Oh my God, there's dinosaurs and shit over here? I didn't know this. Holy cow. Let's drive around here real quick. This is like a little western town. Oh, there's the fudge factory right there. All right, let me park and we'll get going. All right, so we are here at the Uranus Fudge factory. We are here at the Uranus Fudge factory. Walk around a bit, but there's this. That's the Uranus City Jail. It's like a little town. Oh my God, the world's largest belt buckle. Fuck, I bet that's closed, bro. Oh shit. Damn, I need to come here during the day. Sideshow Museum, are you kidding? Big old rocket. There it is. Oh my God. Is it open? It looks like the Sideshow Museum may be open. We'll have to check it out. All right, we're coming up to the door of the Uranus Fudge factory. We have to get this from outside. Let's go in. If this is the same as they did in Indiana, they'd say funny shit when you walk in. Hey, thanks for having me. It's a pleasure to be here. I've been to the one in Indiana. Here we go. Look at this. Oh, this is 69 or 66. Mine says 69 because I was on Interstate 69. Don't forget to get on Cupcake's mailing list. Postcards are coming. If you're already on the list, you know who you are. Expect one. Oh, man. Oh, there it is.
I'm sure we'll all learn a few things in Uranus.
I want to try all the flights in Uranus. I hope they have good flights in Uranus. I'm so excited to.
Give him a little plug.
The best fudge comes from Uranus.
Uranus, Missouri.
That felt good.
Tastes even better.
Wow. Deep in the crack of America's heartland, the citizens of Uranus are first course we give you their amazing fudge. That's right, fudge from Uranus. I'm not fudging with you. We're literally in Uranus. That's the mayor of Uranus, and you can get your fudge out the back door at UranusGeneralStore.com.
And we're not fudging with you. I'm as serious as a fudging horse kick to the side of your fudging head.
I am as serious as forgetting your fudging anniversary.
I'm serious as skid marks on your fudging undies.
I'm serious as fudging a pregnancy test.
I'm serious as fudging the presidential election.
I'm serious as fudging the bar exam.
Uranus liquors. This is the liquor part. Cool shirts here too. Well, I tried to record something on their TV, but like there's a huge loop and it's so funny. All right, I'm gonna wait a little bit more, but I'm gonna get a t-shirt though. Oh man, I hope this music playing isn't copyrighted and all that, son of a bitch.
This guy, I developed this character. His name is Buck Swim. Okay, so initials BS. All right, so it's all tongue-in-cheek, it's all satire, and if you would allow me to interview you about where I can possibly find God and whether or not you've seen him in Uranus in the past, or if you.
All right, guys, you're just gonna have to come to the Uranus Fudge Factory to see this video. It's hilarious. It's just a family from the 50s talking about, I love your fudge, and we're gonna pack some fudge, but it's not on YouTube or anything, so it's probably like copyright stuff, and I don't want to fuck with that right now. But let's get some fudge. All right, guys, we're gonna get some fudge. That was amazing. That was hilarious. Right. Anyway, I'll take a pound. So one Butterfinger. Man, give me 2 of the peanut butter ones. Okay, give me 1 of each. Give me the peanut butter one peanut butter chocolate, and then 1 peanut butter. Yeah, I saw those.
This is our s'mores fudge and our white peppermint cheese.
Yeah. Yeah, give me a piece of this blueberry, please. Thank you. Oh my God. I hope my mic caught that. She said, is that all I can pack in Uranus today? I fucking love this place. Yes, well, you know what? My Uranus isn't fully packed, so. Let me walk around real quick, see if I can't grab it. Can I just leave this shirt up here too? All right, cool. Okay, cool. Thank you. I mean, these are awesome, but who has coins anymore? Fuck. Dude, these ladies are hilarious. All right, we're gonna get 1 more. I want to get another t-shirt. Here. Out and pick one. I obviously already grabbed that one. Oh, you're good. No, you're good. I almost want to get another one of those. Because then they can have 2 shirts in there, because everyone has 2 shirts. So which ones are we getting? Get your kicks in Uranus. That's a good one. Mayor of Uranus, big fun in Uranus. Oh, it's all kicks because it's on Route 66. So let's just get a bunch of these. All right, we're picking these. If you're on my postcard list, you're going to get one. So DM me if you want to get on that list for next time I go to a cool place. All right, guys, I'm checking out. I got my t-shirt. We're ready to go here.
And how was it exploring Uranus today, sir?
I fucking love this place. It was fantastic exploring Uranus today. I had a great time.
And I see you got your fudge packed.
I got my fudge packed.
How did they packed it nice and tight?
They did pack it nice and tight.
All right. So size does matter in Uranus.
Yes, it does.
So let's just make sure you wanted a 2XL.
I did want a 2XL. Because you didn't have a chubby extra large, so I just got the 2XL.
All right. Okay, sir. Total damage. You are famous in Uranus, sir. Can I have your autograph? Thank you. And since you spent over $20 today, sir, you will be getting our Uranus Examiner as well.
Oh, hold on. Getting the Uranus Examiner, guys.
Yes. And would you like your receipt, sir?
Yes, please.
If you scan that, then you might get a chance to win $50,000 in Uranus. And then,
I mean, anything here in Uranus is good, right?
yes, sir. Thank you for picking Uranus. You better wash your hands.
That's right. It was my pleasure.
Not a Uranus. Just feel a little bumpy. Have a good night.
Thank you. Dude. Same as the one in Indiana. They're cool. You don't make jokes about Uranus. And this place is open too. Do I want to check this out? They say they opened it. All right, guys, hold on.